There's nothing worse than starting your day with a relaxing hot shower only to be hit by a blast of cold water just a few minutes in. If your hot water supply seems to be shrinking, you aren't imagining things. Your water heater is trying to tell you something is wrong. The most common reason for a shortage of hot water is sediment buildup. Over time, minerals in your water settle at the bottom of the tank. This layer of sediment does two things. It displaces water, meaning you have less room for actual hot water, and it insulates the water from the heat source at the bottom, making the heater work much harder and slower to recover. Inside your tank, a plastic pipe called a dip tube directs incoming cold water to the bottom to be heated. If this tube cracks or breaks off, which happens as they age, cold water is dumped right at the top of the tank. This cold water mixes immediately with the hot water flowing out to your shower, resulting in lukewarm water after just a minute or two. If you have an electric water heater, it likely uses two heating elements, one at the top and one at the bottom. If the lower element burns out, the unit can still heat water, but only in the top half of the tank. This effectively cuts your hot water supply in half. You'll get hot water, but it will run out twice as fast as it used to. Sometimes, the equipment is working fine, but the math doesn't add up. Have you recently installed a luxury rain shower head or a high-flow body sprayer? These fixtures consume water much faster than a standard shower head. If your tank is older or undersized, a high-flow fixture can drain a standard 40-gallon tank in less than 10 minutes. The good news is that most of these issues are solvable. Sediment can be flushed out, elements and dip tubes can be replaced, and thermostats can be adjusted. However, if your tank is over 10 years old or simply too small for your family's needs, it might be time to consider an upgrade to a larger unit or a high-efficiency tankless system. Don't settle for 5-minute showers. Whether you need a simple repair, a tank flush, or a new installation, trust the water heater experts at Black Mountain Plumbing to bring the heat back to your home. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com or call today for fast, reliable service.